Hi guys, today I'm going to speak about the conventional farming and sophisticated farming. So let's get started. So the first I'm going to speak about the conventional farming, how that conventional farming is better than sophisticated farming. So the here are things. First one is like the organic farming. Yes, if you see in that conventional farming, we grow the food that is the organic food, right? So that's why it doesn't affect on our body, and it's leads no any problem to us. So that's why we use that organic farming, or we use in conventional farming we do that organic farming. The second one is, the next point is, it generates so many jobs. If you see in sophisticated farming, we use that machineries, and because of that, it cut so many jobs. And that's why I'm saying that in conventional no job, in that farming, it generates so many jobs, and village economy is going on this. So that's why it is most important thing. The third point is no pollution. Yes, it generates no any pollution. Why? Because we don't use any chemical pesticides for to grow the food. So that's why there is no any pollution. But if you talk about the sophisticated farming, yes, we use that chemical, that pesticides there. So you know what, whenever we use that chemical, so it gets it gets mixed into the soil. So soil gets contaminated. Second, it gets mixed into the air, that river, in water, so water gets contaminated. And automatically, whenever, if you see that some that chemical that emits the too much what we can say, that carbon dioxide, some other gases, so which get mixed into the air, and air also gets contaminated. So that's why the conventional farming is better than sophisticated farming. Some other points are also there, like the no any side effects. Yes, in conventional farming we don't use that chemicals, so that's why there are no any side effects. There are no any life that deadly disease are there. No. But in sophisticated farming, it leads so many deadly that diseases, like the cancer or some other diseases are also there. But if you see that I'm talking about this conventional farming, so there are no any side effects. Yes, whenever if you are using that chemical, so it know that chemical leads that so many skin diseases, right? So that's why there are no any side effects in conventional farming. So the conventional farming we can do in small land, which is not possible in sophisticated farming. Why? Because in sophisticated farming we use so many heavy machineries, and for that big machineries we need big land. We can't use that machineries in small land. So who they have small land, so this is a very good thing for them to do that conventional farming in that farm. They can do that. So that's why this is not possible for the sophisticated farming to do each and every that farmers. And in small land they can do the conventional farming, and it is good as well. The second one, next point is sufficient. Yes, the sufficient nutritions are there. Whatever the food or that fruit we grow, right, from our land, vegetable we grow our land. So if you see, the sufficient nutritions are there. Numerous nutritions are there, which we can't see in that sophisticated that growing food, or we can say that in vegetables. Why? Because they use chemical in that. So that's why the conventional farming is always better than sophisticated farming. Yes. So now I'm going to speak about the sophisticated farming, how this sophisticated farming is better than conventional farming. See, the first is less time. Yes, in less time we can grow more food, okay, in our that land. So that's why it's most important and very crucial, right? The second is, we can check the soil. By checking the soil we can understand what exactly, which food or that yield we have to grow in our field, right? Which yield we have to get, or which crop we have to get, or do we have to do in that farm. So we can come to know that by checking the soil. So that's why that this sophisticated farming, by doing this by checking that soil, we can understand that the which food or which that that crop we have to grow in our farm. Second, The third point is less manpower. Yeah, in today's era, everyone goes to job for in so many companies. So it's very difficult for them, for farmers, to find the people who they work in farm. So that's why in sophisticated farming we need very less manpower. So this is also one the good point about this sophisticated farming. And most important point is the sophisticated farming save water. The water is life, and that's why everyone should save the water. Otherwise, in future, there will be a shortage of water, and everyone will have to face a lot because of this water. So now, please save the water. And if you use the sophisticated farming, so we can save too much water there. How? If you see in conventional farming, we waste too much water. We give that water to that land in that for that food, or that to grow that food in land directly. But here we use that that water system. So by using that water system, you can give how much water is needed to that plant. So that's why we can save water here in sophisticated farming. And also we can save the time as well, because if you see, the conventional farming is a time taking process. Yes, if we use that machineries, so whatever the work we do in that 8 days or 10 days, the same work we can do here in within a 1 or 2 days. So we can save our time as well. And the next point is high productivity. Yes, we use that machineries and some chemical and some other things, so that's why we grow that food very fast, and that food is also the very productive. Okay, the high productivity is there. And the another thing is, it in that conventional farming, it takes so many days to do that farming. But here, by using the technology and the chemical and advanced things, we can grow food in less time. So these are some most important topic or that things about the sophisticated farming. And I have spoken about the conventional farming. They both are good. They both have advantages and disadvantages. And now this is all up to you. Which one is good? Which one you have to choose? That is all up to you. So thanks for watching.